So I've got green turn signal wire to the left side tail, or the right side tail light, I'm sorry. I have yellow into the left side turn signal, and then I have brown, it's my brake lights, white is my ground. I've both the brake lights going into the one brown that runs to the flat 4. Same thing with the two whites off the lights into the white on the harness. It's dirty, but you can generally tell. There's the white right here on top. Wires are ran underneath the trailer. They still need to be cleaned up and tucked. But there's one working light and two working lights with just the hazards on right now. But now I can get rid of that crap. See all that? It's all tie wired and hung up there with cords and all this other stuff. It looks ugly. It needs to go.